this video, I'm going to be explaining how to find the arithmetic mean of set of numbers. But before we go straight into the calculations, first of all, I'd like to explain what you're seeing on your screen. To find the mean, or usually when we say the mean, what we're referring to is simply the arithmetic mean. So I'll just be saying the mean for short. So to find the mean of set of numbers, you need a formula, and that formula is what you can see on your screen. X bar equals to summation x over n. Now when you see x bar simply means mean. So if you have a question, for example, and you're asked to find x bar, this is x bar, and you're asked to find x bar, just know that you are asked to find mean. X bar means mean. And sometimes you may not see x bar, sometimes you may see this Greek symbol or Greek letter. It's called mu. It's the Greek letter mu, and it also means mean. So you either see mu or you see x bar. Either of the two, they pretty much mean the same thing practically, but the only difference is that x bar is known as sample mean, while the mu is known as population mean. So if you have a question and you're trying to calculate the mean of your sample, then you denote the mean of your sample as x bar, but if you are trying to find the mean of the population, that is the collection of all items under consideration, then if you have access to the population, then you are simply going to use mu to represent or denote your mean. So to find the mean, either you are using x bar or you are using mu, the formula remains the same. Mean is equals to summation x over n. Here, summation here simply means you are to sum up all your x values. Your x values should be your data points or your data values. So anytime you see this symbol summation, it simply means sum, or add up. It simply means sum, or add up all your values under consideration. So for summation, we are simply adding up all the x values and we are dividing by n. N here would be the number of values you have in that data set or under that variable. So n simply would be your sample size or your population size, that is the number of values that you have. So let's go straight to an example. Let's assume you have this set of values or this set of numbers. You find this example in your handout in page 22 of your handout. So we have the set of numbers and you are asked to find the arithmetic mean. To find the arithmetic mean, all you need to do is to first of all write out your formula. So we have the formula as summation x over n, where x would be your individual data points. So this would be your x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. So those are your x's. Then all you need to do from the formula dictates the direction you go. So the formula says add up all the x values. So that would mean 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9, all divided by n. What is n? I said n simply means the number of data points that you have in your data set. So what is the number of data points? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether we have 7 data points or data values in our data set. So we'll be dividing by 7. So that means that our x bar, you could have written your x bar here, x bar equal to, so that would mean that our x bar is equal to, you can always go for the help of your calculator. All right, so I have my calculator here. All I need to do is to say 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9, all divided by 7, and we have 6. So our x bar is 6. The mean of the data set is 6. As simple as that.